Are you looking for a premium rice recipe for a special occasion? Or you just want to upgrade your regular rice a little bit more fun? You definitely should try this recipe at home. Hello and welcome to Amma's Kitchen. Today we are making a veggie rice recipe. Here are the ingredients if you want to take a screenshot, but I left all the information in the description below. If you've been enjoying our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our weekly videos. Let's go to the recipe. First, get your rice, wash it well to get rid of the starch, and fill up the pot with water about half an inch, about this much. Then add salt, turmeric, and coconut milk. You can also add cinnamon, cardamom, and pandan leaves to give your rice a very rich, fresh smell. Bring the stove to a high heat and cook the rice until the water bubble up. As soon as you see the bubbles, bring down the heat to low and let it slowly cook in the steam. While cooking the rice, get another pan to medium heat. Add ghee and saute the cashews for about 5 minutes. Then add the raisins and saute it for about another 5 minutes. Toss this in the rice, mix it, and keep steaming it together. Get your veggies and slice them thin as possible. You want the veggies to be in the background. Chunky pieces will take over the pot. Bring up a pan to medium heat, add butter, add the green beans and salt, and saute it for about 5 minutes. Then add the carrots and cook it for about another 5 minutes. Finally, add the green onions for a couple of minutes and add all the cooked veggies to the rice pot and give it a good mix. And there you go, your fun veggie rice is ready. The ghee and the other spices will definitely bring up a rich, very fresh aroma to your rice, and the veggies definitely bring up more colors and make your rice even more healthier. If you're looking for a main dish to pair up this rice, try Amma's chicken kurma. I feel like this combo will be unbeatable, but try it at home and let us know in the comment below. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Take care.